Yeah, welcome guys. Today we are going to discuss about more in about SAP PP model. Okay. Uh, so first SAP PP. So actually, what is SAP PP? So SAP PP is that is production planning, and production planning is the process of aligning demand. What will be the demand with manufacturing, considering the capacity, and create a production and procurement schedule to get the finished product and its component material. Okay, SAP is again it's important is important module. Okay, it tracks it consider it make a record of the manufacturing process flow, for example plant and actual cost, also goods movement from the conversion of raw material to semi-finished goods. Okay, so coming to PP module, there are five master data involved in the PP module. So first master data is material master. Okay, second master is we can say bill of material. Okay, first master material master, second master data is bill of material. Okay, third is production version, sorry, work center. Fourth is routing, and fifth is production version. Okay, so in today's video we'll go in one by one in quite more in details. So first we can go with the material master. So what is material master? Material master, we can say generally is a main master data which applicable to throughout the SAP for all modules. Okay. Coming to the PP point of view, yeah, it is also one's important master data. And actually in material master, what we do, so you see in real cases, real manufacturing organization, there are multiples we can say products, or we can say part we are using. Okay, so for that all details we have to inform to the SAP. Okay, for example, we are using a screw. Okay, so what screw is there, what dimension is there, what units of measure is there, what is the price of that screw, all details we have to feed in the system at the initial level. And once you feed that initial all details, so whenever we required we utilize, that is nothing but a material master. Okay, mainly there in that material master, different datas we see. As I told, material master is applicable to all module. So there SAP what designed, SAP designed segregated those data, means basic data, means suppose basic data means which is applicable to all person, so that can be segregated with the basic level, that is material. Suppose for example in that material unit of measure is there. Okay, if any category is there, so what category will be there. Okay, so like that description will be there, so like that details is coming in the basic data. Okay, other than if you can go with the planning data will be there. So what the planning means material requirement planning related data if anyone want to maintain. So for that material planning related view we will SAP provided. Okay, coming to next, so next sales data. Sorry, so sales side, sales, in that sales view also be available where we maintain sales related data. Correct, same way accounting is there, purchasing is there. Okay, where we are maintaining individually data related with that, so that all about all details we can say that is material master. Coming to next master data is bill of material. So bill of material is, what is that bill of material? So bill of material is nothing but we can say that a total entire list, or a total entire recipe, or total entire ingredients which require to produce my finished good or semi-finished, or either we can say whatever be the material required to get to produce my in-house manufactured product. Okay, and that what will be the list with that specification, that specific quantities. So that all coming in bill of material. There are multiple bill of materials, there will be all details will be available. So bill of material is mainly applicable to get actual cost of materials against manufacturing. If I'm doing manufacturing, so what will be exact material cost? Those costs will be captured from bill of material. Okay, so that theoretically details. Anyhow, when we go with the SAP login and all, so we'll discuss more in that. Then coming next master data is work center. So what is work center? Work center is, we can say, a place where we are performing any activities. Okay, it may be a machine, it may be a single machine, it may be a group of machine, or we can say it may be a production line, or it may be a total entire plant. On basis of our requirement, we will design our work center grouping, and we create that work center. Okay, so in work center, multiple things will be covered. So as I told, it's a maybe it's plant, group of people, or a group, any department, a specific department, or machine shop. Okay, or entire plant or entire production line. What will be on basis of our requirement, or which we fulfill, is how we want to capturing the cost. Okay, so that we will decide work center. And now, what is the use of work center? So work center is mainly deal there what type of parameters you want to measure out, that we are capturing in work center. Then scheduling, main means capacity, scheduling. Okay, so what we be able to define work center specific capacity, means the work center how long it's working and what capacity will be available for my work center. Okay, same way, on basis of that, if I do any schedule, if I create a production order, or I do the planning. Okay, so accordingly, with the reference to my work center availability, schedule will be generating. Okay, so work center also on a more important, we can say, master datas. And here one more integration concept coming, cost center. So cost center always given by the CO people. Okay, that we will link to the work center. Okay, coming to next next master data is routing. So what is the routing? Again, routing is a list of operation which we are performing. Okay, and to get my either SFG or finished good. So, okay, whatever be the list of operations available to produce my SFG or my finished good, so that all coming in routing. Apart from that, whatever will be during my activity, any cost involvement, any parameter involvement, like labor is involving. So that labor duration, that data, production, manufacture, actual data will be captured in from the routing. Same way, machine time, other power cost, or any other, if any other parameter will be there, so we can able to measure and those data in routing. We can able to maintain in the routing. Okay, so that's about routing. Coming to last master data, that is production version. Okay, so yeah, so routing, what was as I told. So coming to last master data, that is production version. So production version is what? Production version is nothing but it's a we can say it's an important master data which is used to decide which which bombs I have to capture, we have to bomb use, and which routing we have to use. And why this case coming? Because see, in bomb there may be possibility of alternatives of each other, multiple alternatives. Okay, so if bomb have more than one alternatives, if routing have more than one counter or alternatives, so which alternative with alternative bomb and routing we have to select. So that data we can say, we discuss, we can maintain in the production version. Okay, so yeah, today's thanks for watching. And actually today this is a related with the PP master data. Okay, hopefully I able to provide you basic details. Okay, anyhow, when we go with the SAP in that transactions and all, so we'll discuss more on that point. Okay, yeah, thank you for that. Today we will stop here only. Thank you for watching my channel.